Hi Aquarius, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for January. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what this particular month has in store for both of you. So the first card that I see for you is Queen of Cups, Nine of Cups, and Eight of Pentacles. Person B here has Four of Wands, King of Pentacles, and Five of Wands. We'll also see what is the mutual feeling that both of you have, what is the blockage in the relationship, and what is the outcome of this relationship. Now, bottom of the deck, I have King of Cups, which means that either you or your person, or it could be both also, both of you have emotions, okay, but you're not able to express because maybe both of you have different love languages. Maybe one person is very expressive, however the other person doesn't express the same way that you do, okay. Now from the first set of cards, I see you have Queen of Cups, which means that you are in the receiving energy. That's the feminine energy. With that energy, you want to receive love and affection. You want to make sure that you get as much love and affection as possible. You want to feel cared, you want to feel loved. The second card for you is Nine of Cups. With that, it means that you have emotions for this person, but currently you are in that lazy energy and you don't want to put in that effort. But eventually you will realize that you will have to put in hard work here, because your next card is Eight of Pentacles, which means a lot of hard work is required to fix this relationship. Now the second person here, the first card for them is Four of Wands. Four of Wands is the energy where this person is looking for marriage and commitment. The second card for them is King of Pentacles, which is the um, card where this person is focused towards finances right now. And the third card is Five of Wands. With that, there's something outside their control and it gives them a little bit of stress. Now let's see what is the mutual feeling both of you have. So the mutual feeling that I see here for both of you is Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands is the energy where both of you have emotions, both of you are physically attracted as well, but I think both of you need to think about emotions also. If both of you are thinking only about physical stuff, then it means that you're just looking for short term, you're not thinking long term. Now let's see what is the blockage here. The blockage is Three of Cups, which means that maybe in some cases there is a third party situation, there are three people involved, and the outcome here is the Star card, which is Aquarius energy. For somebody, you could be the wish fulfillment. So either you may feel that this person is your wish fulfillment or vice versa, but that could be the case for somebody in this particular relationship. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what is the intention of this person here. So the first card is Nine of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and Ace of Swords. Nine of Pentacles is a single independent energy where you're doing really good for yourself, and that's something that a lot of people also see about you. Ace of Cups is a card where you are in that energy, you want to start something new, and that's based on emotions. And with Ace of Swords, that's again new beginning, a new journey, but before that you want to have an honest conversation with the other person. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message that I see here is conclusions are within reach. This means that if you were looking for some answers, if there was something that was not clear, then the end is close by, because it says conclusions are within reach. You just need to have a little more patience and you'll get the answers to any questions that you may have. Now we'll also see what is the message we have from archangels, and if there is a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Charoite. The crystal message is, are you finding that life is out of control? Do you need to sort out exactly what is going on to get to the reason for the chaos? take the time to go within and call the ascended masters, spirit guides, and angels to provide you with the inspiration you need to transform your life. Now, with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Raziel, which I'll put in the description box and you can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. And till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.